Okay. Hello and welcome to your review for your test on the solar system and the properties of the planets. Let me scroll to the top here. There's around 50 questions, not quite. So here we will start the solar system and properties of the planets review questions, which you will have the test for at the end of April. So number 1, the planets farthest from the sun are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The planets farthest from the sun are known as the outer planets. The largest planet in our solar system is Jupiter. The planets closest to the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Pluto was once placed on the main planetary list, but for the last 20 years it is now newly referred to as a dwarf planet. Our solar system is part of the Milky Way galaxy. A planet's full orbit around the sun is called a year. A group of stars that make a picture is a constellation. The closest star to Earth is the Sun. The only planet designed for life is Earth. The continual path of one celestial body has around another is called an orbit. The Sun and all celestial bodies that orbit it is called the solar system. A large celestial body that orbits a star is a planet. The imaginary line at which Earth continuously spins or rotates is its axis. Two of the outer planets, Jupiter and Saturn, are known as gas giants. Remember, hydrogen and helium were main components of those two planets. Continued 16. A spacecraft where scientists live and work while orbiting Earth is called a space station. A celestial body that orbits a planet is called a moon. Earth's orbit around the sun is 1 year. A person who travels in outer space is called an astronaut. A hole on the surface of the moon is called a crater. A large piece of rock that orbits the sun is an asteroid. The phase of the moon in which you cannot see the moon at all is called a new moon. The type of rope that keeps astronauts from floating into space is called a tether. A tool that tells time by using the sun is called a sundial. Earth's moon is a natural satellite of Earth. The ocean tides are caused by the moon's gravity. The side of the Earth which faces the sun has day. The moon is bright in the sky because it reflects the sun's light. When all of the moon is visible, it is called a full moon. The star that is closest to Earth is the sun. Something natural or man-made that orbits Earth is called a satellite. The tilt of the Earth gives us our seasons. The defining characteristic of Uranus is that it appears to spin on its side. The Earth continuously spins or rotates on its axis. Mars is known as the red planet. The planet that has two craters named Zeus and Bartok is Mercury. The brightest planet is Venus. The smallest planet is Mercury. The planet that takes the longest to orbit the sun is Neptune. The sun is at the center of our solar system. On July 20th, 1969, NASA's Apollo 11 mission successfully landed the first humans on the moon. Neil Armstrong was the first person to walk on the moon. A small piece of space rock traveling in space is called a meteoroid. Neptune is a cold, dark, and windy planet and is the furthest away from the sun. Number 44. Jupiter's 4 largest moons are known as the Galilean satellites. 45. Saturn has the second shortest day in the solar system. 46. Small rocky bodies orbiting the sun are called asteroids. 47. The asteroid belt runs for 600 miles and is found between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. A comet is a celestial object consisting of a nucleus of ice and dust and, when near the sun, a tail of gas and dust particles pointing away from the sun. Your essay question will consist of the following. So I tried to make it interesting. So if you were given the opportunity to spend 1 month on any planet in the atmosphere, if the atmosphere changed to that of Earth but the planet's other properties remain the same, which planet would you choose to visit? Explain your answer. So you have time ahead to really think this question through. So you will be prepared to write your essay questions. So I would suggest going through the properties of the planets videos so you can really answer this question thoroughly and have some good points. So good luck on your test, and until next time, I will see you later. Bye.